Hello there. My name is Akinshete Victor. I'd like to welcome you to this leadership series. And it is my prayer that this episode will further take you to greater heights in leadership and impact. What do we mean by leadership? We mean people that set pace for others. People whose destiny will help other destinies to fulfill, other people to fulfill their destiny. Quite a number of us, God has placed us in such position that our life is programmed to affect others and affect them positively. Welcome to this edition of this leadership series. In the last episode, I mentioned about the language of vision. Furthermore, today, I want to show to us how to secure a heavenly vision. How do you secure a vision that will give you speed in life? How do you secure a vision that will make you an effective leader? And today, I'll be focusing on the power of company, the power of relationship. Proverbs chapter 13, verse 20. It says, "He that walketh with the wise shall be wise, but a companion of fools shall be destroyed." Make a choice of those to walk with. Make company with visionaries that will inspire your destiny. The company you keep places limit on the vision that you can see. You can't see better than the environment that you have limited yourself to. Bishop David Oyedepo, my father in the Lord, traveled out of the country some decades back and was with Oral Roberts. And God told him, as he saw great things that God was doing there, that this thing you have seen today can happen anywhere else. The things you see will affect the dreams you will have. The company you keep will affect the things you will see. Can I mention to you today that if you are the best in your company, you cannot be better in the journey of leadership. If you are the best in your company, you can be better in the journey of leadership. Company with people that will envision you. Company with people that will challenge you. Company with people that will make your arrival look like a beginning. The company you keep will definitely affect the vision that you can have. In the book of 1 Samuel, chapter number 10 and verse 11, "And it came to pass, when all that knew him before saw that, behold, he prophesied among the prophets. Then the people said one to another, What is it that has come unto the son of Kish? Is Saul also among the prophets?" Saul was not a prophet, but Saul kept company with prophets, and he began to prophesy. The company you keep places a limit on the vision you will have. The company you keep places a limit on how far you can go. The company you keep will affect the dreams you will have. Today, we see God's servant, Pastor David Ibiyomi, God's servant, Pastor Paul Eneche. They company with Bishop David Oyedepo, an apostle of faith. And today, the vision of their company has given birth to great vision in their ministries. If you can't company with people that will inspire you, your leadership will expire. If you can't company with people that will inspire you, your life will expire. I remember in our growing up days that many people have no value for education. There is nothing that is motivating them to go to school. But by virtue of company, they see their cousins go to university. They see, their neighbor go to university, and the vision of education start coming to them. The vision of building a tomorrow. I can tell you this, that the leadership in you is going to be affected by the company you keep. Relate with people that will make your arrival look like a beginning. Relate with people that at your best, in their midst, you are like a beginner. They will inspire you to get to greater height. They will inspire you to dream bigger. They will inspire you to fulfill destiny. I'd like to say to you today that by the grace of God, great things are waiting for you. Great things are ahead of you. Great things God has programmed for you. But the company you keep will definitely either increase the vision or will limit the vision. Make a practical choice today of the company to keep. The people that will inspire you, the people that will make your success look like you have not succeeded. Company with people that will challenge your success. Company with people that will challenge your vision. Company with people that when you relate with them and talk with them and read their books, it will make you to dream big. I tell you today that your company determines your vision, and your vision determines your leadership. You will not fail destiny. Many destinies are tied to you, and you will not fail God. Be blessed, and see you